tracks and then load it onto a low bed trailer? That doesn't make any sense.
Good question. This train here is specially designed with jack-up cylinders. For reduced weight, you can support the frame with these 4 jack-up cylinders. Raise the machine up. We have special lift.
Yes, that is correct. Very well done. Okay, so for those of you that just walked in, welcome to Lemur's Ultimate Mining Quiz. For which of these things is Las Vegas number 1 among all U.S. cities? Number 1, monasteries. Awesome city. Number 2, snowfall. Highly unlikely. Number 3, unlisted phone numbers. Makes sense. And number 4, rainy days. Did see rain this morning here in Vegas. Maybe this is a trick question. All right, 10 seconds on the clock. All right, in which year was the company Lemur, Machine and Fabric, or Engineering Works, founded? Number 1, if you think it was 1921. Push number 2, if you think it was 1945. Number 3 for 1949, or number 4, 1973.